Team match. Let's go.
Assalamu alaikum ninjas, welcome back. So this is like screen recording and gameplay how PUBG will run on Kirin 990 with a screen recorder, obviously for the Huawei Mate 30, Huawei Nova 6, Huawei Huawei View 30 and also the Huawei MatePad Pro. All these devices have a Kirin 990 ninjas. So you can see by yourself that it's super buttery smooth, and also with this Huawei's gaming center feature you are able to record these gameplays. Beautiful speed. This is on maximum graphics ninjas. This is on maximum graphics. HDR, full HD, shadows activated. Ah, shame. shame. Anyway, let's continue next. I'm gonna pull the speakers now and just shut up. You can have the buying links in the description for the all these devices with the Kirin 990. Support my channel by shopping online.
Enemy down.
Nice.
Reloading.
So that's the best way to support me, ninja, so I'm able to make more videos in the future for you with the different devices, different smartphones. Nice double kill. So you can access here the game center with the Huawei's EMUI. Oh, they killed me. By the way, for this testing purposes, I'm using Huawei Nova 6. Ah, they killed me. He killed me. Come on. Hey, come on. I killed him. Did I kill him? Let's go. Buttery smooth here. Kirin 990 is a beast ninjas in PUBG. Trust me, direct graphics are so awesome. The graphics look so good.
Target down.
Team is in the lead.
Expired. Reloading.
Hey, 3 of them. Oh, what a bad move.
Cover me.
Nice. He's behind, dude. Where did he... How did he disappear from there? I don't get it. How? I don't know, ninjas. I honestly don't know how he disappeared from there. Ah. Okay, you get the point. That's it, ninjas. Kirin 990 PUBG test.